Should we be like this actually? You know, Miss World again? I'm gonna like shoot you in the face. Before she came to the office, I knew about her. And when she joined, initially she wasn't that friendly, but when we spoke, we realized we have a lot of things in common. Also, she was this bubbly, joyful character, and I knew she's my type. Also, her Senuri vibe, it matched me for sure.
Okay, I think on the first day itself we started speaking to each other, and then we realized we had a lot in common, and then at one instance we just high-fived each other. So someone in our team was like, did you guys know each other before? So I think we got along pretty well.
Okay, so I'll go first. What's my favorite Indian dish?
Paneer for sure. Like that was easy. Okay, like she orders
Paneer and
all
butter
the time.
naan, so
Yeah,
she knows that.
all the time. Okay, up to me. Okay, easy one. My favorite color.
Your favorite color is green. She made it easy because she's wearing green.
Emerald green.
It's green.
Yes, it's green.
Okay, it's my turn. Right. Okay. Okay, let me start off. So we listen to a lot of music and we have a common music taste. So who is my favorite international and local boy band?
International. Okay, local boy band Infinity. We could call it.
Okay.
That's for sure. International. One D? Is it?
One Direction is not there anymore. It's like they're split. It's wrong.
Okay.
It's Backstreet Boys.
BSB.
Half a mark. Half a mark. Half a mark. Oh, it's my turn. I forgot. Okay. So this is one set of questions, right?
Okay.
You have to select like the most preferred. Okay. Milk tea or milk coffee?
Milk tea. Okay.
Concerts or movies?
Concepts.
Cats or dogs?
Cats.
Dogs.
You have
Okay, I have cats, but they just came to our house. We didn't adopt them or dogs. I love dogs. I had 2 dogs before, so technically I love
okay.
dogs. So that's wrong. Okay, so that was one set of questions. Yeah. I mean, we're just supporting each other, right? Yeah. It's all about friendship day, so we just don't want anyone to lose. Okay, your turn.
My turn. Okay. Do I prefer the mountains or the beach?
Okay, I've gone to...
That's tough.
That's tough, but I've gone to both places with you. The recent trip we went to Nuerelia, so there were a lot of mountains. Definitely mountains.
Yes, mountains. Mountains specifically, not beach.
Okay, my turn. Okay. Let me check. What's my pet peeve at work, especially?
Is it
Not my life pet peeve, like
Okay.
at work.
At work. Very loud people, gossiping and all that.
It's somewhat correct.
Combination of
Combination, but
of loud people and
I mean-
gossipers, I would say, like she gets really mad.
okay. So loud people, probably. Yeah, that's correct. Your
Okay.
turn.
Who's my celebrity crush?
Okay. Is it Messi?
No.
Why not?
Not Messi.
Okay.
How could you?
What's the correct answer?
Cristiano Ronaldo.
I'm a
Probably.
Messi fan, so. Okay, so we have 3 things in common. What are those? Like 3
We
things
have a lot
in
of
common.
things in common.
No. Like 3 specific things
Be
that
specific, like what criteria do you want?
we, like in terms of school or
Okay, so we are from the same school,
Okay.
same house.
Hmm.
What
Or even like general.
okay, like we like the same stuff, like chocolate milkshake and
No, only
Oh,
3 things.
Okay,
No.
okay.
You said 3.
I would say our parents share the same birthday.
You said 3. You said the house, the school, and you said we like the same things. So technically 1 is wrong.
So I think was it the parents' birthday?
father's birthday. So
Okay.
our fathers share the same birthday. So
Birthday,
same
date,
year,
day.
same
Yeah.
date, same month.
What's my go-to comfort food? Comfort sweet, I would say. Yeah.
You made it easy by saying sweet. Chocolates. Okay, last question. So you know that I play instruments, you know. How many instruments can I play from beginner level or whatever?
Beginner level, it's 3. You can play the violin, right? Like you're still
Beginner
learning,
level.
yes. She could play the guitar, the piano, and the violin.
It's correct. Piano, violin, and guitar.
Okay.
So make it hard.
I'll
please.
make an easy one. Is it tea or coffee?
It's definitely tea. Like every morning she comes. Oh, coffee. I'm sorry. I'm
No.
sorry. Correction.
Correct.
Please give me the mark. Like I wanted to say coffee because she comes with this cup every time, and the shop that she buys coffee from has even told her to reduce drinking coffee. So it's coffee for sure. Anytime, anywhere.
Yes.
Yay!
Okay.
Okay.
Who is more likely to slap someone for doing dishes?
I mean, I'm not gonna say it here. She's
You
already
better
done
not.
it. So, yeah. Worse than slap, so it's her. I'm sorry.
Who is more likely to fall in love at first sight?
Me. I agree.
Who is more likely to survive alone on a deserted island?
She's capable of anything. She's pretty independent. It's her. I cannot live without my mother. For sure.
Who is more likely to drop something on the floor but still eat?
Me. I do that quite often. Me.
I know. Like she's like, okay. it's not
Because I
5
have this,
seconds.
5-second rule. I just pick it up and
Even if it's 10 seconds, like she would just say,
I just wipe it and
Who would you trust to leave a baby with?
obviously her. She's
Oh.
the babysitter. Like all the kids, yes, it's up to her.
it's me. For sure.
She used to babysit all those babies of our staff.
Yeah, like
Even
you know,
during the
they have
field.
specifically told me that in this year's outing, staff outing, they're gonna hand over the babies to me. So I plan on putting a daycare in my room.
Please don't put me with you. Please don't put me with you.
Who is more likely to lie to their boss?
Disagree.
Disagree. We generally tell him everything.
Because see,
even if you're lying to
uh,
someone else, we just tell him we lied to this person.
Deshu is our boss. Is gonna watch this video, so we both disagree. Even if we do, I'm not gonna agree at this point. So let's disagree with that question,
Yes.
please.
Who is more likely to burn their own house down?
The stuff she does. Do you know how to cook?
No, but I won't burn
Whenever
my
she-
own house.
No, but then the
No,
stuff
actually,
she
I've saved my house from getting burned. Like,
Really?
I think one person in our house kept the gas on, and then thank God I turned it off. If not, it would have got burned. So
All I
technically,
know
I
is-
saved my house from getting
All
burned.
I know is even her brother doesn't drink her tea.
Boro, that's lies.
No, he doesn't.
Yeah, once he just went and threw that tea.
Who is most likely to get married first?
For sure. I mean, I don't know, but
Not me. She knows not me.
the person who says she's gonna marry late is the person who marries first. So it's for this question, it's me, but could be her. We never know.
Who is more likely to accidentally end up in a cult?
You? For sure. You.
Accidentally.
Accidentally. You.
Who is more likely to become a billionaire?
Neither of us.
Neither of us, because see, I'm pretty sure we both are really bad with finances. Like spending is higher than what we get. So neither one of us. Billionaire, like if you said millionaire, we could have thought about
Yes.
it, but billionaire, like
Millionaire, that's a
hell no.
possibility.
Millionaire. we just I think in our minds we're already millionaires. So
Trillionaires probably.
no. So yeah, neither one of us.
That's it for this segment.
Yay! That was good. High five.
Name 3 places where you shouldn't fall asleep.
Beach? No. No. Not at office. Hospital.
Hospital you can. You should
When you
sleep.
go to the doctor, like. Never mind. Oopsie.
It's me.
I should have told like something else. Okay. Name 3 sounds that would wake you up instantly. That's easy.
My mom, my dad, my sister.
That's a good one. Okay, that's a good one. Your turn.
Name 3 Disney princesses.
God. Oh, Sophia, Cinderella. Okay. I got that mixed up. 2. Oh, there is Snow White. There is, right? Isn't it?
She's no one. Oh.
1. There is some Sophia. I just can't remember. Okay, it's my turn. This is easy, okay. Okay, name 3 things in the color green. Your favorite
My
color.
handbag, trees, and the traffic signal light, the green color light. Okay. Name 3 things you don't want to hear from your boss.
Get out. You're fired. Go home right now.
Why
in that angry mood. That's why I said go home right now. If he wants us to go home, it's like, Manisha, you may go home.
No,
It's
but
fine.
then when
You
don't
may
go
go home. He would never say go home right now. Okay, so I wouldn't want to hear that. Anyways, okay, it's my turn, right? Yeah. Name 3 Olympic sports.
javelin, athletics, and swimming.
Okay.
It's my turn. Name 3 Sinhala songs.
සුමිරිපානේ අපි කවුරුද අපි කවුරුද කිව්වනේ see the most easiest questions I'm just messing it up okay සුමිරිපානේ අපි කවුරුද and තව කොච්චර තියෙනවද නේ
Anisha, you're supposed to be a DJ.
no I was gonna say Sinasena but I got it mixed up
Sanasenamma.
Sanas no oh that's අපි කවුරුද right
No.
okay never mind I got the songs mixed up I'm so sorry no there's more okay name 3 things you can't do in the dark
In the dark. You can't write something like in a proper line, straight line. 1.
it's like the Sinhala song
Yes.
you get mixed up technically you can't walk in the dark it's hard so yeah your chance okay
The last one.
yes
Name 3 cartoons.
Garfield Ninja Hattori 2 last one
Okay.
and good luck okay name 3 sports played without a ball
Javelin, high jump, and field event, like track events like running, athletics. Food. Yeah.
that was a good one
Yes.
okay
Better than expected.
that was better than expected
Better than
you know
expected, you know.
So this game is, we will show you the eyes of a famous person. And you have to guess.
See, we're pretty bad with people, you know, like famous people. No? Don't cry, I'm with you in this point, okay?
Quite famous people, you should know these eyes. So the first one, let me know if you can see.
It's me. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Taylor Swift.
Anisha.
So Anisha.
I think I'm a bit loud, that's why.
Don. Oh, no.
Oh, that's tough. That's tough. Okay, looks very familiar, but actually tough. I don't think I know.
Richard Branson.
Oh. Yes.
Richard Branson.
Damn.
Oh.
Yeah, that didn't look familiar, but I couldn't guess the name. The fact that it's black and white makes it harder to identify.
It's just blank eyes.
Yeah, that's a blank eye. It's really hard to identify who that is. No, it's really unidentifiable, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
A huge music.
Lady
Like
Gaga.
all time.
Lady Gaga.
Celine Dion.
Beyonce. Madonna.
A hint. It's not a girl.
Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson for sure.
Yes. That's it. Like
Give her.
see, if the eyebrows were there, it would have been possible.
So I
One.
said. So I
Yeah.
gave a lot of hints.
So one. So,
It looks very familiar. I don't know why. Someone from Ambani family, is it? No.
It looks like a Hindi person.
Yes.
Priyanka Chopra, Deepika Padukone. Is it Deepika Padukone? Oh, that's right.
That's yes, yeah.
Yes. That looks like Justin Bieber's old version.
No. Someone from Friends.
I think I'm pretty bad with guys' faces, old guys' faces. Richard Branson, you identified.
Any
I couldn't. No.
pass, right?
What? Oh, wow. Looks nothing like him. It's person in the Titanic.
Elvis Presley.
Yes.
Yes.
Ooh. Damn.
Messi, Lionel Messi.
Oh. Oh my god, you're good with faces. I'm not. It's Ed Sheeran.
Ed Sheeran, yes, Ed Sheeran.
How could
How
you?
could
How
you
could
for
you?
Messi?
How could you not identify him at the first second? You're supposed to know.
Last.
Wait. Is he
Is he a
Korean?
guy?
Yes.
It's
I think,
Jungkook? Is it? No.
No. Is he like he's not there anymore, right? He died? Okay, he's there. I'm sorry. Then it's not the person that I think he is. But he looks very familiar.
V?
Yes.
Is it V? Okay, V.
We from BTS.
Oh my god, oh my god, why did I think he's dead? That was good. I know, right? See, you were able to identify most of the older men. With the wrinkles.
Ouch.
Okay. So who do you think won?
I think
good.
Senuri because I think she said most of it. I think she did. I think it's you.
No.
Yes, it's you.
You can actually announce it.
You can announce it, yeah.
okay, it's Senuri.
Yay, I told you.
Okay.
You better share that.
We'll be sharing it. Anyway.
Congratulations. Anyways, last round was good.
Thanks for being a good competitor.
I know, right?
Really enjoyed it.
We were actually.